Hello everyone, my name is Josh here at Infiniti of Warwick, and today I wanted to take just a moment of your time to explain how to change the daylight savings time setting in your Infiniti product. And this should be universal across all of our cars. So let's show you how it's done. So here we are in our 2022 Infiniti QX80, and so this here is the home screen, if you will, and they all should look about the same in all of your Infiniti products, but this is where you're going to start. So you're going to go right into settings right here. All right, pretty self-explanatory, and then again self-explanatory, you're going to go into clock. Right, so you'll notice here in clock mode that we have it set to auto. Now, all of these cars being connected to GPS satellites, they should actually update the daylight savings setting automatically on their own. But in case for whatever reason you would like to manually adjust it, you can take it from auto and set it to something such as time zone, and from there you would scroll down. Right, and you're going to immediately see daylight savings time setting here, and it's as simple as clicking on and off. And that is how you change the daylight savings setting in your Infiniti product. We just want to invite you to come visit us here at Infiniti of Warwick, and thanks for watching.